Take a drink.
Let's make it like that. See a piece of food on the floor?
There's a piece of cardboard over most of it. But this is only temporary. We found something in there's a piece of like,
Plexiglass?
no, not plexiglass. You wouldn't want to hit another car from plexiglass.
Did you close the curtain in the back room for some
Me,
reason?
I did it.
Because?
I was hoping it would keep them out, but now it's just intrigued me even more.
Yeah, you like the,
You can open it again.
Yeah.
you know.
We moved a lot of the stuff back there, so it really isn't too much.
Hey, Pete!
Hey,
Mama's
Pete!
here!
Pete's, man, Mama's here!
Hello?
Sticky.
Hello?
You moved your mama?
Here
I'm right here, Silly Dee.
She's like this.
Who is this?
Who
I
am I?
heard you.
Where are you going? Where are
What's
you
my
going?
name?
Who is this?
What's my name?
Where are you going?
What's my
Huh?
name? You silly kid, I love you so much.